Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ZTE Axon 20 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then, to close it, tap on OK. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of ZTE and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Axon 20. Finally, you can tap on all of those categories at the top and in them tap on those type of dots to select your files from this category. If you want to, you can always just tap on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo and this audio file. In order to continue, hit Send next to selected. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on this scanning icon located next to Input key on an Android. Then tap on while using the app or only this time. And point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!